In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to learn a new topic in just 10 steps. Let's get started. I'll start by heading to the search bar and typing in my goal. I want to learn everything about Bitcoin and blockchain technology as a total beginner, so I'm asking for a clear 10-step roadmap that moves from basic concepts to advanced topics like mining. I click the arrow to submit, and the AI immediately begins searching the web to compile a structured learning path for me. In just a few seconds, Perplexity generates a comprehensive 10-step guide. The roadmap starts by introducing the big picture of blockchain and the history of Bitcoin before diving into technical essentials like cryptography and blockchain structure. It then moves through consensus mechanisms, wallets, and mining, ultimately leading me into Ethereum, smart contracts, and building real-world projects. This gives me a high-level overview of exactly what I need to study to become an expert. To dive deeper into the first step, I'll type a follow-up prompt asking for a detailed paragraph on the big picture and 3 high-quality resources to study. I hit enter and let the AI go to work. Perplexity responds with a clear mental model, explaining that blockchain is essentially a shared digital ledger that allows for secure, decentralized peer-to-peer transactions. It also provides curated links from sources like IBM and the Cardano Foundation, giving me a perfect starting point for my research. Using this method, I can systematically master any complex subject with ease. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.